Hello everyone, welcome to knowledge sheet number 2. 5 factors that influence the mind. There are 5 factors that influence the mind: place, time, food, past impressions, and associations and actions. Every place you are in impacts the mind differently. You can feel this even in different rooms in your house. Now, if for a long time you sit in the kitchen, you will start feeling hungry. If you go into your bedroom, you will automatically after some time start lying down and want to sleep. A place where there has been singing, chanting and meditation has a different influence on the mind. I would like to share this very amazing incident that happened with my brother Harshal. He had gone for a satsang in somewhere in Mumbai. After he finished the satsang, all the family was sitting, people left, and since he's a very good singer, so they all started doing some farmaish of some film songs, and he kept singing a lot of old Bollywood film songs. And suddenly he could sense something there. He said that, your house has a musical energy. Does anyone sing in your house? He said, no, there are no singers in my family. But the owners of that house, the host, they started smiling. He said, from whom we have bought this house? And he said, this was the same house where Madan Mohan, the great composer, used to stay. And it is in this house that all the great singers, Lata Mangeshkar, Mohammad Rafi, Kishore Kumar, all these people have sat and jammed here in this house. And this satsang was somewhere like maybe 7, 8, 10 years ago. So that energy of the musical vibrations, he could still feel, it was still present there after 35 years. So I hope you know Madan Mohan. Madan Mohan is one of the greatest composers who has composed songs like Lag Ja Gale, Aapki Nazron Ne Samjha. These are the songs where every season of a reality show you will hear the contestants singing these songs. They are immortal songs. But the point is, that house, after 35 years, a person enters and can sense the vibrations of the music. Suppose you like a particular place, you may find that a little later it will not be the same. Time is also a factor. Different times of the day and year have different influences on the mind. The food you eat has an effect on you, which lasts for several days. That is why in any spiritual path, there has been a lot of importance to your diet, to your food. We sometimes abuse our digestive system. Eating at wrong times, eating the wrong stuff, eating too much or maybe too less. So all these things completely destroy your state of mind. जैसे हिंदी में बोलते जैसे अन्न वैसा मन. But I normally jokingly say that if our digestive system gets personified into a human being, he'll first slap us 3 times and then start a conversation. Because that is the amount of abuse we do to our digestive system. Past impressions, karma, have a different impact on the mind. Awareness, alertness, knowledge and meditation will help erase past impressions. Here there is a great significance of the Sudarshan Kriya and the Sahaj Samadhi meditation, where you get a mantra, the Dhyan mantra or the Bij mantra, where you can use this mantra to go deeper into meditation. It makes the meditation effortless. Sahaj Samadhi. And what the mantra does, it erases all these impressions in the mind. So many events have happened since lifetimes and they have colored our consciousness, they have left impressions. So we cannot live fully and totally in this present moment, fully alive. Now, when you erase those impressions through your meditations and satsangs and all that, what happens? You can see everything clearly. You can see beyond the events, beyond the colors of those emotions. So your perception becomes clear. Actions and the people and events you are associated with also influence your mind. In certain company, your mind behaves in one way, while with others it behaves in another way. See, any good habit you want to continue, you want to pursue, you need to have the company of those kind of people. Have you noticed that? Even the bad habits to continue. People who drink also, they also have their satsangs every Saturday night, dim lights, and they all drink together, and that is how the habit continues. Even smokers, do you see, they have always a group, they will smoke together. 3-4 लोग साथ में जाएंगे सुट्टा मारने. In the same way, any good habit also you want to continue, you need that kind of company. Because when you are with those kind of people, those kind of thoughts will come. You will pick up those kind of vibrations. That is why there is a great significance of what company you keep. Some company you cannot avoid in your day-to-day life. That is why, but some company you can choose. So choose wisely. Now somebody asked a question to Gurudev, should we worry about all these 5 factors? Should we worry about them? Then Gurudev says, no need to be paranoid about it. Just know these factors. Now some people go to the extreme, the other end. Okay, when somebody starts talking something, then they, oh my God, this person will influence my mind. If you get paranoid, then even without that company also you will get influenced. Okay, so though these 5 factors influence life and the mind, know that the self is much more powerful. As you grow in knowledge, you will influence them all. So you can aspire for that. If you are very regular with your meditation and all these things, a point can come when you can influence these factors rather than these factors influencing you. Okay, isn't this amazing? Yeah. So just see, just these few lines, these few words, a little bit of understanding can make a huge difference in our life. That is the beauty of these knowledge sheets. So if you really like this, share it and subscribe out to the channel, and also leave a comment. And the next knowledge sheet is amazing. It is called the most beautiful spot in the universe. If you want to find out, check out our next video.